Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn the basics of Python by writing a simple program from scratch. No experience needed. Open your Python editor or any online Python tool. We'll start with the most basic command. Type this line. Print, hello, Python. Run it. If you see the message appear, your setup is working and you've written your first Python program. Next, let's create a variable. A variable stores information. Type name equals Alex, then type print name. Run it. Python prints whatever is stored in the variable. Now, let's combine text with a variable. Type print hello plus name. Run it again. This is how Python joins text together. Let's add a simple decision. Type age equals 20, then add. Now, let's make the program interactive. Type user equals input. What is your name? Then, print nice to meet you plus user. Run it. Python now responds to whatever the user types. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to print text, store data, combine text, make decisions, and accept user input. These are the core building blocks of Python. If you want more simple, beginner-friendly Python lessons, subscribe and follow along. Each video builds on what you learned today. Subscribe to the channel for simple Python lessons. New beginner videos every week.